corner.
Wave the scarf one more time. It looks like
Step forward.
sponge balls. Watch, if you press them together, they magically change into a duck. I tear a little piece off the end.
See the balloon floating?
Yes!
Watch.
Oh.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic, our first episode for the year 2020.
Oh, magic!
I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 7 easy magic tricks that you can do. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. This first one's a super easy trick that you can pull off at home. Check it out. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, this is a simple little sleight of hand trick. All you need are 2 sponge balls. We have sponge balls available at EvanEraTV.com. If you don't have a set, all you're gonna need is 2 for this trick. One starts out in your mouth before the trick starts. So you're gonna have to remain silent for the performance of the trick. Now you do want to be careful not to swallow this. It could be a choking hazard. If you're a kid, ask your parents' help before you perform this trick. Now for the vanish of the sponge ball, this is the real sleight of hand of the trick. You just have to have it on the edge of a table, or if you're standing at a counter like I am, you just want to have it on the edge where your audience is viewing it from the front angle. And then all you're going to do is when your hand comes in front to grab it, you're just going to sweep it off and act like you grab it and bring your hand up, just vanish it just like that, and then you can reveal it in your mouth. Now the key to making this look smooth like you're just picking up the sponge ball is you want to practice picking it up like this and making the move look exactly like that, to where you're just picking it up and you can't tell the difference. Okay, I have a really cool thing to show you, and this is something you guys can do at home too. So we're standing here in the doorway. You're gonna take your right arm, put it at your side like this.
Okay.
And you're gonna press it against the door frame right there. And like press out like you're trying to do this. And raise your arm.
Against it?
Yep, like press or you're trying to lift your arm like that. 30 seconds. Ready? Go. Okay, that's 30 seconds. Now all you have to do is step forward out of the door frame. Watch what happens.
What? Why is it doing
Arm
that?
just magically raises. 3, 2, 1, step forward. Who's pulling your arm up? Doesn't it feel like someone's lifting up your arm? All you need to pull this one off at home is a doorway or a wall, and someone to show it to, or you can just do this yourself. It's actually really weird. You're just gonna stand against the doorway or wall, and you're going to press out with your arm like you're trying to do this motion. So what it's doing is it's creating tension in this muscle right here as your brain sends the signal to your arm to raise like this. The doorway or the wall blocks it, and that tension builds up in that muscle. So as you step out of the doorway, what's happening is all the potential energy that's stored in that muscle has to release. So it feels like your arm just involuntarily raises like this because the muscle is trying to relax and relieve that tension. It's a super weird and magical feeling. It really feels like someone is raising your arm up, or like there's a ball inflating underneath it. It's really crazy. Try it out at home and give the video a thumbs up if it works for you. Okay, check this out. I have a really cool trick to show you with some tissues.
Tissue.
Pull one.
Oh gosh.
It's not a bite.
You
So,
never know.
That's true, you never know with me. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna tear it. It's gonna tear a little piece off the end.
Okay.
So watch, we're gonna take this and we're going to ball them up together. Just hold out your hand for me. Perfect, just like that. So squeeze it as tightly as you can. Yep, both hands. So just
Not getting it.
imagine the 2 pieces like fusing back together.
Okay.
Imagine. Open your hand and pull the tissue. Unfold it. Look.
Whoa. Yeah.
Pieces magically fuse.
I just saw you.
And the tissue is healed.
Yeah. What? That's crazy. You gotta show me how you did that.
No! All you need to pull this off at home are 2 tissues. So you're gonna take one of them and you're gonna do this before the trick starts. You're just gonna tear off a piece of it, just like that. Now you can throw the rest of it away, you won't need it. Now the next step for this is you need to be wearing a long sleeved shirt. And then before the trick starts, you're going to take that extra piece of tissue and tuck it up your sleeve. Hide this and don't let anyone see it. Then you can have someone pull a tissue from the pack. You can even do this with a borrowed one. You're then going to take it, and as you reach for the tissue, you're going to slip the secret piece out of your sleeve. Then you're going to feign like you're tearing a piece off, and then when you roll it up in a ball, you're simply going to palm this as you roll it up. Have them hold their hand out for misdirection, place it in their hand, and have them squeeze it tight. While their focus is here, you're going to ditch this piece into your pocket. Then just tell them to squeeze the tissue, unroll it, and show that it is completely healed. It's a simple magic trick, but it happening in the palm of their hands is absolutely mind-blowing. Try that at home and fool your friends and family. Okay, Ava, I have a magic trick to show you.
Okay.
And this one might end up being your favorite trick ever. So I have a trick with 2 little white sponge balls. See?
Oh, it's so little.
So check this out. We take the one sponge ball like this. Watch, if I take it like this, and I push them together like this, and I kind of just squeeze. You can kind of see this happen, watch. It magically turns into a duck.
How did you?
Whack, whack. Okay, the secret to this one is really simple. It comes with everything you need. There's a little sponge ball right here that fits in the bottom of the sponge duck. So this is just painted sponge foam. It's just like a sponge ball. So what you do before the trick starts is you take this and you turn it inside out, just like this. Now if you hold it like this and conceal the bottom part in your hand, it looks like a white sponge ball. Now you can say, look, I have 2 white sponge balls, and all you do is take the normal sponge ball and you press it just like this. And as you can see, the sponge ball just automatically hides inside the duck as it appears, so it looks super magical and it's totally self-working. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away the duck to 1 lucky comment. Whack, whack. Okay, check this out. I have a really cool trick to show you with this glass. I also have my magic scarf here. Watch, if I just wave the magic scarf over the glass, a drink magically appears inside. Now look, if I just wave the scarf one more time, it looks like it just magically changes colors into a different drink. Wave one more time, and the drink changes colors again. Cheers. Okay, here is the secret of the magic color changing drink trick. There's nothing special about the cup. It's just designed so that the little plastic inserts fit inside it perfectly. These are little plastic inserts and they're dual colored. They have 1 color on each side. So you're gonna hide these behind the magic scarf before the trick starts. What's happening behind the scenes is you're just dropping the little insert in and it looks like a drink just magically appears inside. Then when the scarf goes back over top of it, all you're doing is rotating the cup and showing the color on the other side of the insert. And as you might have guessed on the last wave, you simply drop the other color insert in and it looks like it's changed colors for a 3rd time. As with most illusions, this trick is all about timing and presentation. This is mostly done on stage as part of a larger routine. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to give away this trick to 1 lucky comment in the comment section down below. Okay, I have a really cool balloon trick to show you. Okay. Normal balloon, also have a string. Check this out.
I like the balloon.
Oh, that was gonna inflate the balloon, right?
Good on one.
And attach it to our little string here. The balloon obviously won't float because it's just my breath in it, right?
Yeah.
So we have the balloon on the string just like this. Watch.
See?
Take it like this. Now look. Magically floats. Just.
Did it like change the helium or whatever?
Look, we can break the spell on the count of 3. 1, 2, break it. Grab your
What? How did you do that?
Unfortunately, I'm not giving away the secret to this trick. But I am giving away the trick for 1 lucky comment. Leave a comment in the comment section down below with how you think the trick is done. I'll pick 1 correct answer from the comment section and you will win the magic wonder balloon trick. Okay, watch the card. I just light the corner. It magically shrinks. This one is super easy. All you need are some mini cards, just a small deck of bicycle cards. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com if you don't have some already. And these are flashcards, also available on our shop. There's a link in the description if you want to pick some up. These are just playing cards made out of flash paper. Flash paper is also called nitrocellulose. It's a thin tissue-like paper that when you light it on fire, it completely disappears in an instant. So you're gonna get the appropriate card out of the deck. In this case, it's the King of Diamonds. And you're going to position it underneath the flash paper card, just like this. Now all you have to do is touch the flash card with the flame and it looks like the card is just magically shrinking in fire. Pencil trick. Little pencil. Also have a case for my pencil. If you will remove the lid
Perfect. Hold that. Perfect. So I take the pencil, it goes down inside the pencil case, just like this. Look, the lid goes on like this. You can see, boom. Hold that. Look, in my pocket, I have a little tiny magic wand. Watch, all I do is take the magic wand, and the pencil disappears. Pull it off. Oh, it turned into a cloud.
Perfect.
Can you figure it out? You know where the pencil went?
No.
Okay, here is the secret to the magic pencil to flower trick. This little guy right here that the audience never sees is how you're gonna set this up. Let me show you how this works. You have the little pencil case, has a little lid on it. Most of the secret is contained inside the pencil itself. It's not a real pencil. It's got a removable top, but it does have a real lead in it and it will actually write. So you can demonstrate it if you want to. Now, just like our magic flower wand that we have available at EvanEraTV.com, the little flower loads into the tube just like this, and it's hidden inside. Now we can take our little magic wand, push it down in, just like that, and now you can see the base of it will pop out of the back side. This is actually magnetic and will stick to the lid of the pencil case, so that when you put it on the pencil like this, it will pull the flower right out. So this is totally self-working once you have this loaded in. You're gonna load the flower into the pencil, you then put the tip of the pencil back on just like that. You take the pencil case, the pencil goes inside, just like this, the lid goes on. All the work is now done. All you have to do, tap it with your magic wand, do whatever presentation you want, and when they remove the lid, the little flower appears, and it looks like the pencil has completely vanished. It's actually still inside, but because it's a hollow tube, it looks like the case is completely empty. They can even shake it, try and get it out, and it's not going to come out. The only way to remove it is with this special tool. So you just put it down inside, press, and it will remove the pencil. Then you can reset the trick and perform it again. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away the magic pencil to flower trick to one lucky comment. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might like it as well. Sharing is caring. You share the videos on your Facebook or Twitter. It helps our channel grow. Our goal for this year is to hit 3 million subscribers. So if you can take the time to share this video with someone else who you think might like the videos that we make here, I would really appreciate it and you'll be helping us reach our goal. Also, if you have an Instagram account, go follow me on Instagram. I'm going to do an exclusive Instagram giveaway soon, only for Instagram followers. So go follow me at Evan Rosenman. The link for Instagram is in the description. Go follow me. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. All you have to do to win the giveaway, leave a comment in the comment section down below and be subscribed to EvanEraTV. Leave in the comment section down below what your goal is for the new year. I'll be going through reading every single comment and I'm going to pick some winners and mail you the magic so that you can perform these tricks at home. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. If you won that giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. We have a bunch of new merch at EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. You can find exclusive magic tricks that you can't get anywhere else, and we ship them all over the world. The link for EvanEraTV.com is in the description. Go check it out, and we're adding new merch every week. Thank you for watching How to Magic, the show where we explore the secrets behind the art of magic and give you tools and ideas to improve your magic performances. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Come back next week for a new episode, and until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.